2 volunteers over the age of 16, 18, who like to make noise. Who like to, who's a loudmouth around here? Anyone?
That one right there.
This one right here?
Yes.
What is this one's name?
Yeah, definitely.
What is your name? Christie, come with me, Christie. You actually get to go on stage, Christie. And then you know what? I think I should pick you on you too. Are you? All right, come on up. And what's your name? Arista and Christie? All right, Arista, why don't you come over here? Use the steps, please. Christie, come on this side over here.
You think I'm loud?
There you go.
I'm sorry.
I'll just have a seat right on here. Excellent. All right, so what's going on here? Yeah, I know. We have a microphone. I know.
Look at Russ.
I don't need one.
Yeah, well, that's right. Excellent. I like it. So what's going to happen is that we have 2 wonderful performers, but we're going to have a scene going on. Oh, I'm sorry. Adam and Rick. Adam and Rick.
I was taking Did you button the shirt?
All right, Adam and Rick are going to... So Adam and Rick are going to be... Hey! Adam and Rick are going to be performing a scene, and you guys are going to provide the sound effects as the scene goes along. So if they call for something, you guys like this one, right? So if they call for something, then you're going to provide that sound effect for them. So, so you're going to do everything for Rick. So everything that Rick does. So, Rick, go ahead and try it out. Let's see what we got.
Every time it rains, my shoes are so squeaky. Not on the carpet, but like right here on the tile.
There you go, excellent. See? So whatever sound you think, and Adam, why don't you try this one out?
I think this tree's starting to rot the base. I better cut it down with my tree. Start right away.
Exactly. So yeah, get that microphone nice and close, and the more noises you make, the better that they do. So, you guys ready for this? All right.
Yes.
These 2 are on some epic quest to get something. What do they need?
A flip-flop.
You guys need Kleenex. Kleenex. And action.
Brian, I think you've got a cold.
It's. I don't think we should have taken this job cleaning the asbestos out of the pipes in this place.
Hey, it's a job hunter's market. I don't know what that means. Anyway, I'm going to start taking off this panel because I, for one, need a paycheck. I got a laser gun.
Put on my rubber gloves.
Snap.
I think the elastics run out on those.
Yeah, cheap. Nice, boss. Put on my goggles.
Snap.
Think the elastics run out of those.
You just get my screwdriver.
Would you leave that puppy alone?
Well, who puts a puppy on an asbestos pipe?
Benji, I'm sorry. That's the asbestos-seeking dog.
Come here, boy.
Does his job. Why don't you do yours?
Come here. Come here. Jump. He's straight now.
Yeah, he's dead.
You made him mad.
He's dead.
You're scared and I won't say anything. And there's a screwdriver in his chest.
Now I need to get some doggy treats and try to see if we can
No,
get
it's
the
past
doggy
doggy
back.
treat. I just said there's a
Well, I'll throw
screwdriver.
it. I'll throw it at him.
I'm
Cow
pretty sure
flavor.
that I saw this in Pet Cemetery. Okay.
Come on, Benji.
Oh, he made it. Look.
Benji. Ah.
Here, watch. Let's see if he does stuff.
Oh my God, he's a zombie. He's a zombie.
Oh, look at me. You're using the golf club.
Quick, get the machete. Oh, go. He was a zombie dog. Technically dead.
He took the screwdriver to the chest. I don't think the golf club thing is really going to do that much. He'll be back.
I agree.
Okay.
Any moment. Hopefully before the scene, though.
You know, I'm famished after that.
Oh, yeah?
I would like to sit down and eat some lunch.
Or we should go get some Kleenex. Whatever.
I have some of that in my lunchbox.
Perfect. Win-win.
Look.
Nice opening.
strawberry shortcake. If you wind it up, it plays music.
Oh, cool.
Oh, everything fell out because I was holding it at the top.
That's a shame.
That's okay, look, but I had some Kleenex.
Blow your nose, not sneeze into it, and I don't want it now. Okay, I'll take it. It's talking. Creepy.
That Charlie Brown thermos.
You sound like
It talked!
you sound like a little girl when you try to... Hey, let me try. Give it to me.
I got a drink out of that. Oh, now it's all gross.
Here, I go. That's my dog again.
His head didn't even go that way. What's wrong with you?
Poor animal. Poor undead animal. Oh, he sounds sweet.
Look at this conveniently placed pen we can put him in.
Sounds like the gate in Pet Cemetery.
Look, now we can stand over and tease him with sharp sticks. He sounds like he gets mad, and then he's kind of happy, and then hurt that we're messing with him.
Yes, it's complicated. A lot of emotional range in that.
He's like an onion. Oh, that was just not as much fun.
No, it's terrible. I'll tell you what, let's throw a cat in there with him.
I think that's what it's doing.
That's the last chance to call this off.
I've never seen a cat with scales, though.
It's an iguana. You're right. We're not good at identifying objects.
No, we're not.
No.
But the stealth screwdriver I bought is doing wonders on this pipe.
It's really whisper quiet.
See, look at that. You can't even hear a thing. Look how fast I'm going now, too.
Wow, dueling screwdrivers.